All right guys, so this is how bright these lights are. They look really good. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Got another video on the 2012 MDX. So we are changing or attempting to change the driving light. It's not easy to do it, but let me show you what they are now. Okay, I don't know if you could see, we did this looks beautiful. We're gonna try attempt to do this one. So there's not much room here, and to do it we have to take this cover off, and I may have to take the battery off, but I want to avoid having to take the battery off on this side. But let's see what happens. Okay guys, so you see this white cap right over there where my finger is pointing? That's where the light is. So it's not easy to get to. You have to put your hand over here, just maneuver your hand, and then you have to lift the cap off, and then you can take the light off. And then inside the light there's like a little two prongs that are like this. You have to push it out and up, I think, if I remember correctly. So let me try to do it and move this out of the way too. Slide it anywhere or push it down just so you have some room. So I'm just gonna remove this guy. It's just a little holder, so that might give you a little bit more room. Yeah, a little bit extra room. All right, so now, yeah, it makes it a little easier. That's better. And now, oh wow, so much easier. Pop this thing off. This silver thing, you gotta come off. Hold on. All right, I got it out. Oh, the light must have popped out. Okay, and the bulb is right here. Okay, here it is. If you guys see those little metal, this metal tab right here that I'm touching right here, these have to hold the light in when you put it in, so you have to be careful how you install that. Here's the light, guys, we ordered from Amazon. So the color temperature should be, I don't know if you could see, about 6,000 K. That's the one we ordered. We'll get them from Amazon. I'll put the link down below. Oh, yep, you did. You did. Yep, that's done.
I think that car crashed.
Yeah, that was a crash. Okay, I think I got it. Oh, I think I had it too. Okay guys, to get to that other light, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take out the light, the battery. It's just gonna make it easier, because I don't feel like fighting with the light, and I don't want to take out the bumper. Okay, all right, let's take it out. Okay guys, so I don't know if you could see where my hand is, so we should be able to take this out easier, quote unquote. All right, so I need to look at the direction where this thing is. Okay, so let me watch how I take this out really carefully. Oh no. Okay, I just popped this one off. push it to the side. Okay. I think I got it. Okay, I think I got it in. Look how easy this one went in. Oh, there we go. Okay, so guys, you got to put this filament on the bottom, and these two little lips need to go like this. So once you put it in, these clips should line up properly. This is for the driver's side, and then once it's in, the cap goes on the top of it, and then you twist the cap down, and then it locks it in. And also make sure there's two little prongs, they hook up to the top. I don't know how to explain it, but it goes like this, and then you gotta move it like this to hook it up. I can't show it to you, but I'm gonna try. I don't know if you guys can see it, but all right. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see. I hope I can at least show you something, because I can't see what I'm showing you guys. I cannot see. Okay guys, these are not easy. I didn't want to take out the battery, but I didn't want to take out the bumper for this thing. There's two prong like this. Make sure they are straight like this. If they like this or like that, it won't work. The two prong need to be like this. Then you could put the little connector, put the connector in and twist it down, and then it should lock itself. All right, now we can put the battery back. Battery is on. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. It's really nice. All right, last one but not least, don't forget the cap. It goes in, I think it goes in like this, and then you twist it up, if I'm correct. I'll tell you in 1 second. Okay, on this side you twist it down. Come on. All right, you twist it down on this side. Let's check the other side. So on this side, you do the same thing. Find a little spot. I think twist it down too. Yep, that's it. Twist it down. That's done. Now we can put this thing back. Done. And then put this back in the spot. Done. Okay, with your hand. Now we can put this cover back. All right guys, cover is on. All set. Light looks really beautiful. I'll get you another video at night. All right guys, so this is how bright these lights are. They look really good. the road so nicely. Alright guys, so this video is all done. The lights look good, so thank you again for watching. Like and subscribe. We custom it. Until the next time, peace.